Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has favored us with a beautiful day known as the Friday. The Friday is the best day from the days of the week for the Muslimin. On this particular day, there is an hour that we don't know exactly what time, but we are taught that during that hour or during that time, any supplication that one would make would actually be answered by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So on a Friday, make sure that you continue to call out to Allah with whatever your needs are throughout the day. Make sure that you are not asking for something prohibited, and make sure that you are not asking for something wherein which there is destruction of relationships. Rather, the building of relationships and that which is positive, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will definitely grant it to you by His will, His favor, His mercy and His kindness.